How to change your name on Moneyline? Changing your name on Moneyline is super simple. Here's how you can do it. First, you have to open your Moneyline app and make sure you have already logged into your account. Once you're in, you will see this type of interface. Now what you have to do is simply tap on profile icon which lies in bottom right corner over here. Tap on it. That will take you to the profile section. Now scroll down and here you can see an option for personal information. Tap on it and over there you can see your profile, and on the profile there's a preferred name. For now it's Preeti. Now in order to change your name, simply tap on edit, which is right over here. Tap on it and this is what I have right now. Simply tap on it and let's erase the previous name. Write Preeti like this and tap on confirm. And tada, you have successfully changed your name in Moneyline account. Your Moneyline account should now reflect your new name. If you run into any issues, Moneyline customer support is always email or chat away to help. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.